Welcome to another English vocabulary lesson. In this video, we'll explore words from slip to softly, including their meanings, common collocations, and natural examples. These words appear frequently in everyday conversations, books, movies, and news, so learning them will help you understand and use English more confidently. Let's get started. The word slip has several common meanings in English. It can mean to slide accidentally and lose your balance, as in, she slipped on the ice. It can also mean to put something on quickly and easily, as in, she slipped on her jacket. Another meaning is to move quietly or unnoticed, as in, she slipped out of the room. In addition, slip can refer to a small mistake, especially in expressions like slip of the tongue, saying the wrong word by accident, and slip of the mind, forgetting something temporarily. Because of these different uses, slip is a very common and useful word in everyday English. Slip, to slide accidentally. She slipped on the wet floor and almost fell. Slip on, to put on clothes or shoes without much effort or time. She slipped on her shoes before leaving the house. She slipped into her coat and left. We use put on for any situation when we dress ourselves, while slip on and slip in to emphasize putting on clothes or shoes quickly, easily, and often without much effort. Slip, small mistake. It was just a slip of the tongue when he called her by the wrong name. Sorry, I forgot your birthday. It was just a slip of the mind. There was a slip-up in the report, and some numbers were wrong. Slipper, comfortable light shoe worn indoors. She put on her slippers before going downstairs for breakfast. Slippery, difficult to stand or hold because smooth or wet. The road was slippery after the rain. Slope, ground that slants up or down. The children skied down the snowy slope. Slope, to incline or tilt. The roof slopes down towards the garden. The path slopes gently towards the river, making it easy to walk down. Steep slope, a slope with a sharp angle that is difficult to climb or walk down. Be careful when walking down the steep slope. The hikers struggled to climb the steep slope. Slot, a narrow opening for something to fit. Put the coin into the slot to start the machine. Slot, scheduled time or position. The band has a late-night slot at the festival. Time slot, a scheduled period of time for an activity or event. Choose a time slot that works for you. The interview is scheduled for the 10 a.m. time slot. Slot machine, a gambling machine operated by inserting coins. He put a coin in the slot machine and hoped for a jackpot. Slow, not fast. The traffic was very slow because of the heavy rain. Slow, to make less fast. The driver slowed the car as he approached the crossing. Slow down, to reduce speed or make something move more slowly. You need to slow down when driving through a school zone. We use slow to mean make something less fast, while slow down is more common when talking about reducing speed, especially in movement, driving, or progress. Sluggish, moving slowly, without energy. I felt sluggish after eating too much lunch. The economy has been sluggish this year. Small, little in size or amount. They live in a small house near the park. Small, insignificant, unimportant. He paid only a small sum of money for the old book. Small talk, polite, light conversation about unimportant topics. At the party, they made small talk about the weather and travel. Smash. Break something into pieces with force. He accidentally smashed a glass when it slipped from his hand. The car smashed into the wall during the accident. The kid smashed up the old toy by accident. She smashed the world record in the 100-meter race. Smash. Big success. The new movie was a smash at the box office. Smell. The quality sensed by the nose. The smell of fresh bread filled the kitchen. Smell. To detect odors. She smelled the flowers in the garden. Smith. A person who makes or repairs things of metal. The blacksmith made a new horseshoe for the horse. Smoke. The visible gas from burning. Thick smoke came out of the chimney. Smoke. To inhale tobacco. He doesn't smoke cigarettes anymore. Smoker. A person who smokes. She has been a smoker since her teenage years. Smoky. Filled with smoke. The kitchen got smoky when the meat burned in the oven. Smoke screen. Something used to hide the truth or real intentions. The politicians' promises were just a smokescreen to distract voters. Smooth. Having an even surface, not rough. The table was made of smooth, polished wood. Smooth. Figurative, easy, without problems. The presentation went smoothly, and everyone was satisfied. Smuggler. A person who moves goods illegally. The smugglers tried to hide the gold inside the car. Snack. A small amount of food eaten between meals. She ate a quick snack before going to the gym. Snail. A slow-moving animal with a spiral shell. The children watched a snail crawling slowly across the garden path. Move at a snail's pace. To move or progress very slowly. Traffic was moving at a snail's pace. The queue moved at a snail's pace. Snake. Long, legless reptile. A snake slid quietly through the grass in the garden. The word snap is a short, sharp, and expressive verb that appears in many everyday situations, from breaking something suddenly to losing your temper or even taking a quick photo. It's a lively word that often suggests speed, energy, or sudden action. Snap. Break suddenly with a sharp sound. He snapped the stick in 2 pieces with his hands. She snapped the pencil in half. Snap. Take a quick photo. She snapped a picture of her friends at the party. There was a loud snap when the branch broke. Don't make a snap decision before knowing all the facts. Snap your fingers. I had pizza for dinner. Snap, me too. Snatch, grab quickly, often by force. The thief snatched her bag and ran away down the street. Sneak, move quietly and secretly. The child tried to sneak into the kitchen to take some cookies. Be careful not to confuse sneak, which means to move secretly, with sneakers, the comfortable shoes you wear for sports or casual activities. The name sneakers comes from their quiet soles, which let people sneak around without making noise, just like the verb sneak. She wore her new sneakers to school because they were comfortable, perfect for walking around the campus. Sneak in, enter secretly. He managed to sneak in without paying for the concert ticket. Sneak out, leave secretly. The teenagers tried to sneak out of the house at midnight without waking their parents. Sneeze. Push air suddenly through the nose. She sneezed loudly during the quiet exam room. Sniff. Breathe in quickly through the nose to smell or when crying. The dog sniffed the ground, looking for food. Snoop. Secretly try to find out private information. He was caught snooping around in his boss's office. Snooze. Short, light sleep. He took a quick snooze on the sofa after lunch. A snooze is usually a very short, light sleep, often unplanned, like a quick nap on the sofa. A nap is more general and can be longer, often planned, like a midday rest. So, you might snooze for 10 minutes, but take a nap for an hour. Snore. Breathe noisily while sleeping. He snores so loudly that it's hard for his wife to sleep. Snorkel. Tube for breathing while swimming underwater. She used a snorkel to watch the colorful fish near the reef. Snow. Frozen white flakes falling from the sky. It started to snow heavily, covering the streets in white. Snowfall. The amount of snow that falls. Last night's snowfall blocked the mountain roads. Snowflake. Each small piece of snow. She caught a snowflake on her glove and watched it melt. Soak. Make something very wet. The rain soaked his clothes completely while he was walking home. The towel soaked up all the water on the floor. She loves to travel and soak up the culture. The rain soaked through his jacket. Soap. Substance for washing. She washed her hands with soap and warm water before dinner. Soar. Rise quickly and high. The eagle soared above the mountains in the blue sky. Soar. Increase quickly. The company's profits soared after the new product launch. Sob. Cry noisily with short breaths. She began to sob uncontrollably after hearing the sad news. Sober. Not drunk. He has been sober for 5 years after giving up alcohol. Sober. Serious. Calm. The teacher gave the class a sober warning about cheating. Social. Related to society or friendly interaction. The company organized a social event for all the employees. Society. Group of people living together with rules. Modern society depends heavily on technology. Sock. Clothing for the foot. He wore warm wool socks in winter to keep his feet comfortable. Socket. Hollow part to fit something in, electrical or mechanical. Plug the charger into the socket next to the bed. Soda. Sweet carbonated drink. She ordered a soda with ice at the restaurant. Soft drink. Non-alcoholic, sweet drink. He prefers a soft drink instead of beer when eating out. Can I get a soda with my burger? Soda is basically the American informal word for a soft drink, though in some regions people say pop or Coke, even for other brands. Sofa. Large, comfortable seat. They bought a new sofa for the living room. Soft. Not hard. Easy to press. The baby's blanket was very soft and warm. Soften. Make softer. The butter will soften if you leave it out of the fridge. Heat the butter to soften it up before mixing it with sugar. He tried to soften her up before asking for a favor. Softly, in a quiet or gentle way, she spoke softly so as not to wake the baby. Great job! You've just learned over 100 powerful S words. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next letter.